AI is brilliant, but it's not perfect and it's not a replacement for you. Your customers come to your pub because of the experience you create, your personality, your team, your atmosphere. AI should amplify that, not replace it. Let's talk about using AI responsibly and keeping your authentic voice. Here's the golden rule. AI is a helper, not a replacement for your authentic voice. Think of it like this. AI should sound like you wrote it faster, not like a robot wrote it for you. If your regular customers read your post and think, that doesn't sound like them, you've let AI do too much of the work. The goal is efficiency and quality, not losing what makes your pub unique. Before you post anything AI has helped to create, ask yourself 3 quick questions. I call this the 3-second test. Number 1, does this sound like me? If you'd never used the word beverages in real life, then don't let AI put this into your post. Change it to drinks. Keep your natural voice. 2, is this 100% accurate? AI makes things up sometimes. Check dates, times, prices, menu items. Double check everything is factual. 3, would I be proud if a regular saw this? If your best customer read this post, would they think, yeah, that's the pub I know? Or would they be confused? That's your authenticity check. 3 questions, takes 3 seconds, saves you from posting something that feels off. So what should you be aware of when using AI? Well, never post AI generated content without reviewing it first. You should be checking its tone to see if it matches how you actually speak as a pub. Remember, nobody wants to engage with a robot, so AI sometimes can default to overly formal or corporate language or just look a bit robotic. Are there too many emojis? Are there too many hashtags? Or do you need to remove some of the dashes or maybe some Americanisms in terms of the language used? So absolutely double check those captions and rewrite them into your own tone where possible. If you don't add personality to your posts, you can end up with very similar content to everyone else. So really do try and add a little bit of your own flavour, a little bit of your own tone of voice to those captions, just to make sure that your content does stand out. A few other things to be keeping an eye on. The first is accuracy. So you've got to make sure that your AI generated captions or content is correct. So I would definitely be looking to see whether the information is actually true, whether the opening hours or the phone number is correct. So it does need a little bit of human oversight. The second example is that you do need to be aware of legal and regulatory compliance. So AI doesn't know UK licensing laws, food safety rules, or ASA advertising standards. If AI writes unlimited drinks for £20 and you don't have the right license, that's your problem, not the AI's. So if it makes health claims about food, check they're allowed. Remember some of the new laws around advertising junk food in the UK. So there's lots to be aware of, and AI doesn't understand the legal framework that you operate in, so you need to be aware of it. The third example here is overpromising and inappropriate claims. So AI might write the best pub in England or guaranteed to cure your hangover with our breakfast. You just can't make claims like this, so keep it real and defensible. A few other things that are completely off limits: fake reviews, so making sure that nothing has been auto-generated. Remember, if you are replying to customers using AI, just make sure that it is accurate, and also that maybe a human jumps into the conversation before it escalates too far. Also, if you are creating AI content using image generators like Canva, then I would just definitely make sure that the content accurately represents the dish that you're going to present so that people don't feel like they've been missold. AI can suggest responses to reviews, but you should be personalising them. So remember, AI can draft posts as well, but you verify them. So it does still need that human oversight. Here's how to use AI without losing authenticity. Try adding your own flavour, your own in-jokes with regulars, your own personality and local slang. For example, everyone in Yorkshire says chuffed. AI won't know that. Write your own intro and outro. Let AI generate the middle of your caption, but if you write the opening line or the closing in your own voice, it's much more personal to your pub. Also, include as much of your own content as possible. Team photos, your own food and drink, features of the pub. Your personality shines in these genuine moments. AI should make your life easier without making your pub feel less personal.